Hi, today we're going to make a Google layered map. So open your drive, come to the three dots, and let's find Google Maps. Okay. Now let's go to the left to the menu. On that, we'll slide down to your places. Okay, and to the far right to maps. Now at the bottom, we can choose to create a map. We're going to create a map of civilizations in Mexico. So let's go ahead and name it that. Okay. We'll do the Olmecs, Maya, and the Aztecs. Okay, now we could put in a description now, but let's move along. You can come back and do that later. Okay, so we have our title. Here's the first layer. All we need to do is name it. The Olmecs were the first, so we'll start with them. Olmec layer. Save. All right, so let's put in one of their great civilizations that was in the West, called Tres Zapotes. Veracruz. It's on Veracruz. It's near the Gulf of Mexico. Not right on the coast, but close to it. All right, one nice thing you can do here, when you add it to the map, you can choose how you do that. Okay, you can choose the icon, you can choose the color, you can make it a star. Okay, there are more icons. And also, if you look to the bottom left, you can make your own custom icon. Now, the Maya were the Olmec people were famous for their head carvings. So let's do in Google images for nice icon. Yeah. Several come up. Lots to choose from. There's a nice one there. Okay, so now instead of something else, we have a nice Olmec head. So we can use that to mark all of our locations. Okay, we can add text here. We can add more pictures to this one location. All right, let's move along though, so we can get the furthest east location called La Venta. So there were 4 locations that were quite well known. Olmec. La Venta's on the far east, so we're going to capture that one. Okay, it's a lot closer to the Gulf of Mexico. Now, when we add our icon, let's go back and look. The original one is still there. Add that. Again, we can add more text, add another picture. Okay. Let's do one more thing to mark this area as the Olmec area. So let's make it so we can see both. And we know these are the outside of the whole civilization. So let's go ahead and mark with a line here. And we'll draw a good outline of where the Olmec civilization was. Double click on the end. Okay. And boom. There we go. We can even color a line. On a blue, that'd be nice. Okay. We can go back in and flesh in more details. Then to add the next layer, the Maya layer, we click add a layer, name it, and follow the same process. So good luck. Looking forward to seeing some great maps.